Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Tijaniya Sufism Islamic TV channel. Today's topic we'll be talking about the Tariqa Tijaniya and the co-founder of the Tariqa Tijaniya. Sheikh Ahmad Tijani, may peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. He is the co-founder of Tariqa Tijaniya. He was born in Ain Mahdi in Algerian Moroccan border. Sheikh Ahmad Tijani has get this Tariqa Tijaniya wird from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One day Sheikh Ahmad Tijani said that he met the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he told him to stop all those words he have taken from all those siyuh and just breathe in it. From all those siyuh that because Sheikh Ahmad Tijani was having so many words. But one day the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him to stop all those words and to stick on the Salat al-Fatih lima uhlik. And from there we have what we call today the Tariqa Tijaniya. Even the Prophet ﷺ himself said, Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslimin wal muslimat, that to seek knowledge, it is farida, it is obligation for everyone, for every Muslim woman and man to seek knowledge. That's why Sheikh Ahmad Tijani was seeking knowledge. But after all, the Prophet ﷺ told him to stop all that. So now I will be trying to Sheikh Ahmad Tijani was a Sunni Muslim. He was in the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he was a Maliki. He was a Maliki too. He was a Maliki in the Maliki Orthodox. He was a Maliki too. He's a Maliki Sunni. So now I'm trying to tell you about how the Tariqa Tijaniya entered in the Senegambia region, because how it comes from Sheikh Ahmad Tijani to the Senegambia region is a long history. It's a long silsila. But I will just try to brief how it comes to the Senegambia region and who are those who are in it and who is the most popular man on these things. Yes, Tariqa Tijaniya in the Senegambia region, the well-known sheikh is Sheikh Omar Foutiyou Tall. Sheikh Omar Foutiyou Tall is the one who brought Tariqa to Tijaniya in the Senegambia region. If I said the Senegambia region, I'm talking about Senegal and the Gambia, because this region is where Tariqa Tijaniya was established, and from here Tariqa Tijaniya has went all over the world. From the Senegambia region, this Tariqa Tijaniya spread and went all over the world. Sheikh Omar Foutiyou Tall is the first sheikh is the well-known sheikh who was in the Tariqa Tijaniya, is a big wali. And after that, we have the father of Sheikh Ibrahim Niass, that is called Alhaji Abdullahi Niass. And we have Alhaji Abdullahi Niass was in Taïba Niassène in Senegal, Kaolack. And you have Alhaji Malik Sy in Tivaouane. You have Cherno Seydou Nourou Tall, that is the son of Alhaji Omar, Sheikh Omar, the son of Sheikh Omar Foutiyou Tall. You have Ahmad Tijani Ba at Madina Gounass is in Senegal. And you have Cherno Mansour Baro, that is one of another sheikh. Cherno Mansour Baro too is in Bour. He was the one living in Bour. But now, as you know, all these are big CEO who have taken this Tariqa Tijaniya from so many different ways, but the silsila, all their silsilas will only get back to Sheikh Omar Foutiyou Tall. But for us who are in Faida Tijaniya, our Sheikh Abdullahi Niass, the father of Sheikh Ibrahim Niass, our silsila is connected to him. Sheikh Abdullahi Niass has his elderly son called Muhammad Khalifa Niass. He is the elder brother of Sheikh Ibrahim Niass. He too is a well-known wali. He is a well-known wali in Tariqa Tijaniya. You have Bai Niass too is a brother of Sheikh Ibrahim Niass. Alhaji Modou Zainabu is another brother of Sheikh Ibrahim Niass. And others, because Sheikh Ibrahim has so many brothers in his in the family. Sheikh Ibrahim himself, the Faida Tijaniya that Sheikh Ahmad Tijaniya was saying in Jawar al-Mani, as he said, Tahti Faidatun ala ashabina. That Faida Tijaniya came to him. Sheikh Ibrahim said that the Faida Tijaniya have came to him. That Faida that Sheikh Ahmad Tijaniya was talking about, that Faida has come to him. At the age of 30, Sheikh Ibrahim had called upon all the world, saying that he have the Faida Tijaniya in his hand. and later on he have traveled from the Senegambia region, and he went to Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, and all other countries. Later on, we will be bringing another topic in our next episode. We will be talking about Sheikh Ibrahim and the Tariqa Tijaniya. That will be next episode. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.